Hi, let's design DFA for some more language. First language is every string start and end with 0. We already did DFA, how to start with 0 and how to end with 0. Now we'll do start and end with 0. So what it will accept? It will accept single 0 because here it start with 0 and end with 0 and 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 plus, that is positive closure, any number of 0, minimum is 1. So W equal to 0 x 0. From Q0 by 0 it will go to state Q1. Now it will accept this 0. At Q1 we will make a self loop of 0, so it will accept 0 plus. Now it will accept 0, then any number of 0, that is 0 plus. Now for 1, can you make a self loop here? No, because it will end with 1. We need end with 0. So that's why for 1 we'll make another state Q2, and from Q1 by 1 it will go to state Q2. So from Q2 by 0 it will come to Q1, and by 1 you can make a self loop. Now it will accept start and end with 0, but it is not a DFA. To make it DFA, we just add a dead state. From Q0 by 1, it will go to dead state, and in dead state there will be a self loop of 0 1. So now it will accept everything start and end with 0. So you can check single 0 it will accept, then 0 0 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Let's take a bigger string and check whether it is accepting or not. So for first 0 it will go to state Q1, then for 1 it will go to state Q2, then for third one it will be self loop, then for 0 it will come to Q1, then for 1 it will again go to Q2, then for 0 again Q1, then for 1 it will again go to Q2, then for 0 it will come to Q1, and it will accept. And here minimum state is 4. 1 2 3 4. Next language, every string start and end with same symbol. Start and end with same symbol, it is just extend of this TFA. Here start and end with 0 and start and end with same symbol means start and end with 0 plus start and end with 1. What it will accept? It will accept single 0, single 1, then 0 0, 1 1, 0 plus, 1 plus, 0 1 0, 1 0 1, 0 0 0, like 0 1 1 0. So which string start with 1, that should end with 1. Which string start with 0, that should end with 0. So how we'll design this? This is for start and end with 0. We'll design start and end with 1, and we'll merge these two DFA. And here W equal to 0x0 or 1x1. So it means this is start and end with 0, and this is start and end with 1. First we will draw start and end with 0. It is same as the previous one. This is same as the previous one, just we have not added the dead state. In place of dead state, we will do start and end with 1. So now from Q0 by 1, it will go to Q3 state. Now it will accept 1. Then for 1 plus, there will be a loop of 1. Then for 0, it will go to another state because here it cannot be self loop. It should be end with 1. Okay. So for 0, we will go to another state, Q4. And from Q4 by 1 it will come to Q3, and Q4 self loop will be 0. So now this will be start and end with 1. So you can see like this string 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. You can take any string, it will accept. And here number of state is 5. Now check this string whether it is accepting or not. So for first one, from Q0 it will go to Q3. Then for 0 it will go to Q4, then for 1 it will come to Q3, then for this one it will be a self loop, then for 0 it will go to Q4, then for 0 it will be a self loop, then for 1 it will come to Q3, then for 0 it will go to Q4, then for 1 it will come to Q3, and it will accept. Next language, every string start and end with different symbol. So what it will accept? It will accept 0 1, start with 0, end with 1, 1 0, start with 1, end with 0. Then 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1, like this. So W equal to 0x1 or 1x0 means which string start with 0, it will end with 1. Which string start with 1, it will end with 0. From Q0 by 0 it will go to state Q1, and from Q1 by 1 it will go to state Q2. Now we are doing start with 0 and end with 1. So we are just doing this part. Okay, then we'll do this part and we'll merge this. From Q0 by 1 it will go to another state, so we are just leaving that. I will do later. Now from Q1, 1 is going to Q2 and 0, it can be a self loop because it is start with 0 end with 1, so in between it can be anything, just make a self loop. And from Q2 by 1 it can be a self loop, and by 0 it will come to state Q1. Then from Q0 by 1 it will go to state Q3, and from Q3 by 0 it will go to state Q4. Now it is start with 1 and end with 0, so it will accept 1 0. Now from Q3, 0 is going to Q4. For 1, it can be a self loop because start with 1, end with 0, in between it can be anything. So you can make a self loop of 1. From Q4 by self loop, it will be 0 because it is end with 0. And from Q4 by 1, it will come to state Q3. Now this DFA will accept start and end with different symbol. Let's take a bigger string and check whether it is accepting or not. First one, from Q0 it will go to Q3, then for 0 it will go to Q4, then for 1 it will come to Q3, then for 1 it will be a self loop, then for 0 it will again go to Q4, then for 1 Q3, then for 0 again Q4, then for 1 Q3, then for 0 again Q4, and it will accept. You can take any string and check it will accept start and end with different symbol. What is the similarity between these two DFA? These two DFA are same. Here final state was Q1 Q3, here final state is Q2 Q4. This is start and end with same symbol, and this is start and end with different symbol. So just by little modification of this DFA you can get start and end with different symbol. And even this DFA, this is start and end with 0. You can do start and end with 1, just this part. You can just make this as a final state and you will get start with 0, end with 1. Okay, these three are similar type of DFA. You can just modify a little bit and you can get another one. Thank you.